XRP, we start with daily chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And if you refer to our last analysis, there is no much changes. Still, we are within this down move. And we mentioned we want to see whether the price can reverse with the breakout of this zone, which is a 73 following by 68. Because we mentioned we can consider this one as for one move up. This is what we are looking for. That means if you get any opportunity for buy, we'll take it. And from there, we want to see the breakout of 1.02 following by 1.15. If the price could break this zone, then we can look for continuation. If not, then from there we can look for one more drop, because the question is whether we are going to put this one in relative to this as a flat for the next drop, or we can consider this one in relative to what we have here in the bigger picture. Okay, which option? We don't need to really care about that. That's why if the price could drop and break this zone, then we are right with this one. But we are not really interested to look for sell. But if you get any opportunity for buy, this is where we can look for buy. And if the price could break this zone, then from the we can look for continuation. If not, we consider this one as a bigger picture. This is what I'm looking for. Okay, that means we are not really interested to look for sell. We're looking for buy if we get any opportunity, but we have to wait. We see whether we can get the reversal, we do the breakout of this zone or not. Any opportunity for buy, we will take it. If the price could break this zone, then we keep the trade. If not, this is where we can look for sell. And at this point, we don't have any opportunity, I mean, any trade setup, but it depends on the strategy the traders they use. Okay, and we have to wait. We want to see how deep this correction can be. This is what we are looking for if we want to look for buy. And as I mentioned, there is no much changes if you refer to my last analysis. And if you move to forward chart, this line is indicative. We don't need to really care about this line. And from what we can see here, the price is dropping. If the price could drop with the breakout of the previous low, if we could get the divergence, then from there, any opportunity as a reversal, as a short move flag, we can take the trade. Or even if the price drop, then having entry with the breakout of the previous low, then having entry above this can be an option. But at this point, we have to wait. Okay, can we expect this is the correction in relative to this for one move up? Even if we get any opportunity for buy, will be short term. All right, then may at that time we look at this one as a trend line. But at this point, we don't see any trade setup. And if I move to a lower time frame, 1 hour chart, all right. And as I mentioned, if anyone wants to consider this one as a correction, if they want to look for buys within this range as a short term, okay. And in this case, we just follow the chart. We don't have really proper trade setup. And the best thing is we wait. And now the question is whether the price can break the previous low following by divergence based on 4 or 1 hour chart. Then from there, we can look for the reversal of having entry above the top. But if the price consolidate here for longer time, then from there, we consider whether we should look for trade or not. Okay. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.